Hi to all, my name is LGC Dark and welcome to my channel. So this is my new gadget. So this is Bosch Indego S Plus 500 and this is now the setup. What you need, how to put it on, I will walk you through. And this is playground. So we have here roses, we need to go around, we have tree, we have trampoline and lots of other stuff like you see, and we need to go all around it so this machine can work. So I will put the dock station here, and when you put the wire here, you have a tunnel that goes in and it comes out, and you put it here. So the other side wires go here, here, around this, there. So you can buy plastic pins to secure the wire, or you can take nails. So you take nail, you twist it here, and when you put it in the ground, it will have good connection. Or you can buy plastic pins. So I will use this because I don't have plastic pins, and I want to set up this and start it. So let's go. To secure the dock station, you have this nails, so this, and you simply twist it here and you fix. And for this roof, you have also here and here, and in you have two, and you have if you have additional screws to screw this. So I will put it there, secure it, and go wire all the way. So you secure it every 75 centimeters, and the wire must be like this. So it won't be like this because the lawnmower will cut it. And this bad boy has free sharp cutting, see, cutting knives. And before you start it, here you have press, here you have security. So this is off, this is on. It must be on, and it is pin protected. So I bought this a used one. So if you bought also Bosch used one, two things you need to do with the previous owner. So he must give you the pin, and he must remove this lawnmower from the app, so you can register to your own email address. So for the first time, I will just put like a little playground. So the wire goes here, it is 30 centimeters from this, because you can see it is not leveled, and I want to know how close will it get. so that I know in the future how close can I put a wire. So the wire goes here, and all the way here, and it goes here. And now you see this. So this is why you need, I don't know if you can see, so this is why you need to secure the wire so that it will be on the ground, so the lawnmower doesn't cut it. So I will go here and back. So only this to, I don't know, to know how this works. So first I will do this little perimeter to test it. Now here you have settings. You cannot do much. You have info, security, date and time, language, tools. Let's see what we have. We have level check. That's it. In advance you have wire ID, 4 wire IDs, and security. That's it. Info. See the batteries at 86%, and here you can see how much has been worked. So the batteries at 41 degrees, signal straight is good. Here you have build date 23, first month, and here you can see how much did it work. So here you have runtime, charging time, and awake time. Okay, everything is connected. Our test place is here. So we have steady green. We do have here, we're gonna turn it on. I've secured the base with the bolts, but only 2. Okay, now let's do a map of the garden. Okay, preparing, sending sensors. Okay, we have wire 30 centimeters from this place. So you do have countdown, and we are on the road. So now you see it's turning. That's why you need to secure the wire, and it's run. So as you can see, we have here space like maybe like 10 centimeters. We're gonna see, here's the turn. Yeah, and it's turning. So we're gonna see what we'll do. So now you're gonna see why you need 30 centimeters. Because of this. It was like 5 centimeters from the edge. Maybe if you put a bar like this, then maybe we can put it 10 centimeters closer. Let's see now here. It's turning. And now we have a message. Is this the dock station? Yes, it is. Okay. And now you see how it moves the. And now we have removed the obstacle and returned to the. Remove the obstacle and return to the dock. Okay, now enter pin, wait. Okay, I'll put a pin and now start move. Okay. Indego moving to first time. Okay, let's see what it's gonna do. Calibrating. Yeah, but now it's working. So that's it. So now I have to mop all this space. And I'm gonna see how will this do. See? Yeah, it works. See, now it's the line is here, and how it mops, it goes all the straight lines, up and down, up and down, up and down. So that's it. It works. So it detects the obstacle and it moves. Yeah, and it works. And now it's returning to the docking station. We're gonna see if it will. Yeah, saving map. Okay. And now it's done. The map has been saved. So that's it. And that is how you install this Bosch Indego S Plus 500. And if you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to support me and share these videos that you see that are called by